Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 154. In a multiple choice test, there are 10 questions with 4 options in each question. For each question, only one option is the right answer. If Maria randomly guesses on all the questions, what is the probability that she will get at least one correct answer? So the easiest way to working on this problem is we base on the fact that Maria get at least one correct answers. The probability that she get at least one correct answers and the probability that she get no correct answer will add up to 1. So we will have the relationship that the probability of Maria get at least one correct answer equal 1 minus the probability of Maria get no correct answer. Because she may get correct answer for the first questions, or the second questions, or the third questions, or the fourth. And then we can add up to 2 questions right, and then 3 correct questions, and then 4 correct questions, and then 5 correct questions, are all correct questions. So that will be a lot of probability to calculate. So we will make a shortcut by taking that the probability when she have at least one correct answer is 1 subtract the probability that she get no correct answer at all. So to find the probability that Maria get no correct answers, we will have the probability she will get the first question incorrect multiply with the probability Maria get second question incorrect, and so on up to question number 10. So because each question is independent, so it's random, so we use the multiplication in between each event. And because there are 10 questions in total, so you will have 10 probability multiplied together. So first is she get it wrong on the first questions, and there is 4 options, only 1 is correct. So to find it incorrect, she have 3 out of 4 choices for the first questions. Okay, then multiply by, so this is the say Maria get no correct answer. Okay, that the first questions, the second questions get it wrong with the factor of 3, 4, and so on. So total we have 10 questions. So this will be 10 factor of 3, 4. So we will have this at 3 over 4 to the power of 10. Okay, and then we can distribute 3 to the power of 10 over 4 to the power of 10. So if you don't remember how to distribute, we have A over B. A is to the power of 1, right? So we can say A to the power of M, B to the power of N, or to the power of T. You can distribute this one in A to the power of M times T over B to the power of N times T. In this case, any number x you can write out as x to the power of 1. So this is 3 to the power of 1 and 4 to the power of 1. So 1 times 10 is 10. And then at the bottom, you have 10 times 1 is 10. Now we have this part right here. We plug it in, and then we find the answer. So the probability of Maria get at least one correct answer is 1 subtract 3 to the power of 10 over 4 to the power of 10. So this is the correct answer. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.